Okay, this is Ricky Matthews from the Sun Herald, and I'm on the northern shore of Back Bay, Hurricane Gustav, and the water has been rising most of the morning. The eye is just now coming ashore. It's the edge, the leading edge of the eye, just to the east of the Mississippi River. You can see the water is getting up over the pier. My guess is about 3 or 4 feet above normal. Off over there, that white thing floating is a part of a shrimp boat that washed up into the marsh by Hurricane Katrina. I want to watch it carefully. I'm hoping that it doesn't move over to my pier. It's 6:30.